A very good morning I bid to all. My name is Eng Seng and I come from University of Malaya. Today, I will be presenting my research with the topic of a study on the implementation of facilities management FM adaptation during COVID-19 pandemic crisis among higher education institutions. Facilities Management FM is a multidisciplinary service provider in the organization to assist the core business. The problem statement here is due to COVID-19 pandemic crisis, the workplace and business operations are introduced with new normal. The research aim of this is to seek enhancement in FM services delivery. The first, to identify the scope of facilities management in HEI. Second, to identify the implementation of FM adaptation during COVID-19 pandemic. And thirdly, to propose recommendation for HEI to adopt similar situation in the future. For the literature review, first, the definition of facilities management, FM services in HEI, which is to provide high profile learning spaces and evaluate existing facilities quality. And the third will be FM adaptation during the COVID-19 pandemic, especially during the Movement Control Order (MCO) implemented by the Malaysian government. The research adopt descriptive research design framework in which the elements of the research is interacted in a logical and rational. First, primary data collection uses case study and interview. In the interview, semi-structured questions are asked to the selected interviewees, while the secondary data collection uses literature review. The first is the scope of FM services, which is based on the result from the 3 interviewees. The second will be implementation of FM adaptation. The interviewees are required to elaborate the implementation of FM adaptation. The third key findings is the relation of BCM, business continuity management, whereby the interviewees try to define and relate BCM in crisis of HEI. While the fourth findings is the recommendation, which are the interviewees are asked to express their opinions and recommendation for the implementation of FM adaptation in HEI. There are 3 main conclusions made from the research project. First, there are 3 scopes of FM, which are operational maintenance, health and safety management, and support services. Next, the FM adaptation adopted by HEI during the COVID-19 pandemic are step-up cleaning, redesign of spaces, safety PPE, SOP policies, remote working. The implementation of FM adaptation is aligned with the core values of BCM, which to revert the business operation back to normal, regain focus in sustainability and performance, and to assist in risk mitigation during crisis. The third conclusion is to propose recommendation for FM practices to be adopted by HEI during similar crisis simulation. Examples of recommendations are future research, evaluate more comprehensive cleaning and sanitation schedule, and others. These are the reference used for the research. Thank you for your time. That's all from the presentation. Have a nice day.